Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I wanted to share with you an update. I have just completed another square of the BloomScape Crochet Along that Secret Yarnery is doing, and I'm participating. And so I have just finished this sunflower square. I do still need to do one more row, the very last row, but as you can see, I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough of yarn in this color to do all of these squares. So I'm going to leave that off until I see how far my yarn goes. But I don't remember all the names of the flowers, but this is the last flower that she did, and this is the sunflower. Isn't that neat? It's like 3D. And here was the first flower. And then here was this real pretty flower. See how thick and poofy that is? Isn't that neat? And then here's this other flower. So that's what I've got done so far. You can do as many squares as you want to, but I'm just going to do one square of each and see how far my yarn goes. And mine will probably end up being the baby blanket size. But if I have a good bit of yarn left and I can do more squares, I will do more squares. So I just wanted to share this with you today. And thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.